for my birthday. Yes, and Minnie is there. Hi, Minnie. You want my flowers? Ooh, she's already sniffing my flowers. And my husband. Yeah. Minnie. Minnie, what are you doing? Hi, Minnie. Is it smells good, Min? Minnie. Minnie.
The next day.
Hi guys, welcome back to Korea's Vlogs. Today is April 19th, Friday. We are in the Over going to the airport because today is our flight to San Diego. And now we are done checked in and then we are waiting to board. And dito lang kami ni Habi nakaupo, guys. Hi guys, we are here
At the airport.
San Jose Airport.
Waiting for flight at 11.
Yeah, we check in early, guys. So, see ya, San Diego. See ya, Sis Rachel. So, we're gonna board around 11. So, see you later, guys. Kita na kami ni Sis Rachel. See ya.
See you in a couple hours.
So, it's a nice day. Diyan yung gate namin. Gate 23. Have a carry-on luggage for me and for hubby. We only have his backpack and his iPad. And I have my personal. Waiting for our boarding time. It's 11 and it's only 10 to 8. It's fine. So, andito na pala guys yung plane namin. And then, ayan, boarding na kami ni Happy. Punta ng plane. Ayan. Nasa plane na kami, open seating pala guys yung Southwest, kaya hindi kami magkasama ni Happy, pero okay lang kasi malapit lang naman. Oh, here inside. It's a nice day. We are waiting sa aming sundo. This is Rachel's husband, Claudio. Yeah, it's kind of hot right now, guys. Hello, San Diego.
Hello.
Yes, it's like it looks like the Philippines over there in National City.
Yeah.
So many Filipinos, so many Filipino restaurants, outlets, or grocery stores and stuff like that.
It looks like a Lombard Street in San Francisco, like going up to the hill.
A few inches later.
Is this real? Hi, Cory.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Finally! Late reaction. Oh my God! I'm squeezing him. Happy, what's going on? Finally, we meet Tita Ria. Kissy. Who's that lady? No, I don't know her. Finally!
Yes, finally.
Picture tayo. Nagbibideo si ano yung vlog?
Yeah, probably. I think
Don't forget to click the ano. Wala, iwan ako. Chinelas ko nakakatawa.
ano pa, naglilinis ka pa?
Magpapalis na sana ako.
But I think it's good. Welcome to the humble home, humble mansion of
Sa kwarto niyo na.
Lily. That's Lily, right?
Grabe ka mapasok.
Is that Lily, right?
Yeah.
Lily, you're back.
Hindi pa napaligo. Ready? Okay. Boom! Kakatok pa talaga.
Yay, nice. Oh,
Nice.
thank you. Wow.
Oh, diba? Kaya,
Happy birthday.
whose birthday? Ito, it's you.
Oh, it's my birthday.
Pasensya na, simple lang.
What, guys?
Simple lang.
Birthday to me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank
know,
you, sis.
Look the cake that I made for you.
Look at, guys.
Na-over na yata, exaggerated, decorated.
Happy birthday, Sis Ria. That's beautiful cake. Look there. Look at that.
That's chocolate. Like you said, Cory's favorite.
Purple. Look at her
Purple.
Obra Maestra. Ayan, focus mo. Nakita mo yung Obra Maestra.
Chocolate cake. Hindi lang masyadong ano. Kasi sabi mo, purple yung favorite
Ang
mo.
ganda. Thank you, sis. I love it.
Na-over lang na-decorate.
Thank you. Wow. Nice. Love it.
Happy birthday and happy anniversary!
Thank you.
With baby soon. Yung dream come true na sila kasi palagi yung asawa yung palagi doon abroad nasa labas magkahiwalay sila
Ayan na
palagi.
siya. Ayan. Ayan na siya. Siya yung ano. Storytelling daw kami. Ooh, wow. Oh, surfing, huh?
We'll make it very far.
I did not go ahead and go ahead.
Oh, look at the waves. Surf pala dito, no, kasi may waves. Ang laki talaga ng waves, no?
Oh, yung kaibigan ko.
So, kaya surfing.
Surf sila dito.
It's the best place for surfing.
Kaibigan ko sa Colorado. Surf
Oh,
sila dito.
marunong siya? Sino yung asawa niya?
Silang ano?
Sino ang asawa niya? Pati talaga yung
Nag-hire sila. Oo, dalawa sila. Nag-hire sila din ng
ng taga-turo? Bakit gusto niya talaga matuto ng surfing?
para masakay.
Okay. So guys, we are the oceanside pier. Sis Rachel's place. Tingnan nyo ang view. Andito si Sis Rachel.
Hello, guys! shout out mo na yan.
Shout out sa inyo, Bunso! Next time, dito ka na.
Bunso!
Kasama ka kay Sis Ria next time.
Oo. Ang ganda. Grabe naman, sis.
Yan, i-video kita.
Tara, gala tayo dito.
Sino?
Sa lugar.
Sino?
Rachel, tara, gala tayo dito.
Sinong inano mo?
Sila.
Kalimutan ko, nag-vlog ka. Happy yarn!
Happy yarn. Happy ang birthday.
Happy
birthday
to
pa.
you! Happy birthday to you!
Oh, ang lamig, sis.
Happy birthday, Sis Ria!
Thank you, sis. Happy ang lamig, sis.
Oo.
Tama na siguro, sis.
Pakita natin mo. Happy yarn! Bukas may pansit yarn!
Nakangaba na yun. Grabe.
Oo nga, no? 1 minute. 1 minute pala?
Tara, dalawa tayo. Tara.
1 minute pala?
Dalawa tayo.
Hello! I would like to thank my sponsor.
Who's the sponsor?
Sponsor.
Of what?
Oh, ganda.
What is that?
Tapos ito.
Wow.
Ito,
Sana
of
all.
course, siya. Thank you, sis.
You're welcome. Oh, picture.
Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yan?
Sana yung picture namin.
Ayan.
Ganda sis, nakaka-relax talaga.
Ano, parang okay na.
Parang nauutot ako sa kakatawa kanina. Grabe. I love this.
All those guys, they all know how to swim. You need to learn how to swim too.
Dadalo yun.
dinner, right sis? Dinner time for us. Then si Sis Rachel at si Alex. Sa magandang view.
Hello, 3 million viewers.
Wow, sana all my 3 million.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah.
Push up. You're gonna fall over. Don't do that.
Hi guys, dito kami sa Coyote Bar. Naghihintay ng parking. Oh yeah, they're taking off.
Thank you. Oh, we can sit right there. Not too far from that.
Let's order first and go off your head.
I think I tried
Yeah, there's Southwest chicken egg rolls.
A big nurses. Huh? What's that? The enchilada?
enchiladas.
Nice. Let me grab our picture.
Here, you want a plate?
Kami sa car.
Yeah, you see a different one?
Diyan si
Oh, that's how I
Kevin.
go on the front.
Si Rachel.
I think I've seen
Si
that.
Alex nakatago. Coyote Bar and Grill. Birthday sis Brian. Beb, say hi. Bonso, hello. Natulog na siguro si Bonso. Wala siguro. Hi to Bonso. Hi Bonso. Next time. Punta ka na dito. Tatlo tayo. Viewers. Hi to my 2 million viewers. Charot. 2 billion? 2 billion? 2 billion?
Balasing ka na tayo.
Bibo.